Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line essay on World Earth Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, every year on April 22nd, World Earth Day is observed. Second line is, the purpose of this day is to promote awareness about environmental issues. Third line is, this year the theme is Invest in Our Planet. Fourth line is, the first Earth Day was celebrated in 1970 in the United States. Fifth line is, it is celebrated in over 190 countries worldwide. Sixth line is, special events on this day include tree planting, beach cleanups, and environmental workshops. Seventh line is, it emphasizes the importance of protecting the environment for future generation. Eighth line is, it promotes sustainability and environmental stewardship. Ninth line is, it is a time for us to take action to reduce our environmental impact. Last line, that is line number 10 is, this day reminds us that we all have a role to play in protecting the planet.